Okay, confession time. I've been living a lie.
Oh boy, what happened?
So yesterday, I'm at this coffee shop, right? And I order espresso.
Oh no.
Yeah, the barista just looked at me, and I knew something was wrong, but I didn't know what. And then it hit me driving home. It's an espresso, not a espresso.
Welcome to the club. Do you know how many native speakers still mess this up?
Wait, really?
Oh yeah. Articles, those tiny words like a, an, and the, they're like the secret code of English. They're super small, but they change everything.
Okay, so help me out here, because I thought I knew the rule. A before consonants, and before vowels. Done, but clearly I'm missing something.
Well, you're like 80% there, but that missing 20%, that's where the magic happens. Hey everyone, welcome to English Speaking Practice. I'm Mia.
And I'm Leo, your fellow English learner who apparently can't order coffee correctly.
Hey, you caught the mistake. That's already huge. So today, we're diving deep into articles, a, an, and the.
And trust me, by the end of this, you'll know exactly when to use each one. No more awkward coffee orders.
Yes, and you know what? Articles might seem boring at first, but they're actually super powerful. They can completely change the meaning of what you're saying.
Like how?
Okay, quick example. I saw a dog versus I saw the dog. Totally different meanings.
Oh, a dog is just like any random dog, but the dog is a specific dog we already know about.
Exactly. See? You already get the concept. And hey, if you're new here, we make English fun and simple. Hit that subscribe button because we post new lessons every week. And honestly, we make grammar way less painful than it needs to be.
Yeah, we're like your English learning friends who actually explain things in a way that makes sense.
All right, so here's what we're covering today. First, the real rule for a versus an, and spoiler alert, it's not exactly what you learned.
Wait, what?
Then we're tackling the, which is honestly the most used word in English.
No way.
Way. And finally, we'll practice together with real scenarios you'll actually use. Sound good?
Let's do this. I need to redeem myself after the espresso incident.
Okay, so let's start with your coffee disaster. Why is it an espresso and not a espresso?
Because espresso starts with a vowel?
Close, but here's the thing. It's not actually about the letter, it's about the sound.
Wait, what? Explain.
Okay, so the rule everyone teaches is a before consonants, and before vowels. But the real rule is a before consonant sounds, and before vowel sounds.
Okay, you're gonna have to break that down because my brain just went error 404.
All right, let me show you. Say the word espresso out loud.
Espresso.
What sound does it start with? Listen carefully. Espresso.
It's like an eh sound, which is a vowel sound.
Exactly. So even though E is a vowel letter, what matters is that E is a vowel sound. That's why we say an espresso.
Okay, that makes sense. So it's about how it sounds, not how it's spelled.
Bingo! And this is where it gets fun because there are words that start with vowel letters but consonant sounds.
Intriguing. Like what?
Okay, how do you say the word university?
University. University.
Right. It starts with a U sound, which is actually a consonant sound. It's like saying you.
So even though U is a vowel letter,
You say a university, not an university.
what? That's actually cool. So it's all about listening to the first sound.
Exactly. Let's try a few more. What about hour?
Hour. The H is silent.
Right. So what do you say?
An hour, because it starts with the ow sound, which is a vowel sound.
Perfect. You're getting it already. What about honest?
Honest also starts with a vowel sound because the H is silent, so an honest person.
Yes, look at you go.
Okay, this is actually making sense now. So I just need to listen to the first sound of the word, and if it's a vowel sound, I use an. If it's a consonant sound, I use a.
Exactly. Here's a quick trick. Say the word out loud. If your mouth opens with an a, I, or a sound, use an.
That's brilliant. Say it out loud and listen.
Yep. And here's another fun one. What about abbreviations like FBI or MP3?
Ooh, tricky. How do you say FBI?
FBI.
So it starts with F, which is a vowel sound, an FBI agent.
Perfect. What about MP3?
MP3 starts with M, so an MP3.
You're on fire. But what about USA?
USA starts with U, which is a consonant sound, so a USA trip.
Exactly. See how it all comes down to the sound?
Exciting! This is so much easier than I thought. I was overthinking it.
Most people do. They try to remember all these lists of words, but if you just listen to the sound, you'll get it right almost every time.
Okay, so quick practice. What about elephant?
Go for it. What do you think?
Elephant starts with a sound, so an elephant.
Perfect.
Apple.
What do you hear?
Apple. An apple.
Yes, car.
Car. Consonant sound, a car.
You got it. All right, now let's talk about when to use a or an versus when to use the, because this is where things get really interesting.
Okay, I'm ready.
So a and an are called indefinite articles. They mean you're talking about something general, something non-specific, something for the first time.
Like a dog, just any dog, not a particular one.
Exactly. I saw a dog in the park means it could be any dog. It's not special. You've never mentioned it before.
Okay, and the is when it's specific.
Right. The is the definite article. You use it when both you and the listener know exactly which thing you're talking about.
So I saw the dog in the park means we both already know which dog we're talking about.
Perfect. Like maybe we talked about this dog before, or maybe there's only one dog in the park, so it's obvious.
Oh, okay, so a and an are for introducing something new, and the is for something we already know about, or something specific.
Yes. Let me give you a story example. I saw a cat on my porch. The cat was orange.
Oh, first sentence, a cat, because you're introducing it for the first time. Second sentence, the cat, because now we know which cat you're talking about.
Exactly. You just discovered one of the most important rules. First mention a/an, second mention the.
That's actually super logical.
Right? And here's another big rule. We use the when there's only one of something.
Like what?
Okay, how many suns are there?
Just one, so the sun.
Yes. How many moons does Earth have?
One, the moon.
Exactly. The sky, the ground, the internet, these are all things where there's only one, or we think of them as one specific thing.
Wait, so why do we say a star but the sun? The sun is a star.
Great question, because from our perspective on Earth, there's only one sun that matters to us, but there are billions of stars in the sky.
Ah, that makes sense. So it's about perspective.
Exactly. And here's where it gets even cooler. We use the when the context makes it obvious which one we mean.
Context?
Yeah, like if I say, "Can you close the door?" I don't need to specify which door. The context tells us, probably the door to the room we're in.
Oh, so if we're in a room together and I say the window, you know I mean the window in this room.
Exactly. The context makes it clear. But if I say a window, it's more general, like I need a window in my new house.
Okay, this is clicking. So the is for specific things that are clear from context, and a/an is for general, non-specific things.
Perfect summary. Now, here's a fun trick. Try this sentence. I went to hospital.
I went to the hospital or I went to a hospital?
Both could be right. It depends on what you mean.
What?
Okay, I went to the hospital means there's a specific hospital, maybe the one in your town or one you mentioned before. But I went to a hospital means just any hospital, not a particular one.
Oh, so the meaning changes based on which article I use.
Exactly. Articles are powerful. They add so much meaning with just one tiny word.
Wow, I never realized how much these little words matter.
Right? And here's another cool thing. We use the with superlatives.
Super what now?
Superlatives. You know, like the best, the biggest, the most beautiful.
Oh, because there's only one best or biggest?
Exactly. She's the best singer. There's only one person who's the best, so we use the.
The tallest building, the fastest car.
Perfect. But if you just say a tall building or a fast car, you're being general.
This is so cool. Okay, what about music instruments? Like I play the piano or I play a piano?
Great question. We say, I play the piano with the.
Why?
Honestly, that's just how we say it in English. When we talk about playing an instrument as a skill, we use the. I play the guitar. I play the drums.
Even though there are millions of pianos in the world?
Yep, it's an exception. We're not talking about a specific piano, we're talking about the instrument in general. It's just one of those English quirks.
Of course there's an exception.
But here's the thing, if you're talking about a physical instrument, you can say, I bought a piano, or I need to tune the piano in my living room.
Okay, so I play the piano as a skill, but I bought a piano as a physical object.
Exactly. Context is everything.
All right, what about places, like I go to school versus I go to the school?
Ooh, this is a big one. When we talk about the purpose of a place, we don't use the, but when we talk about the building itself, we do.
What do you mean?
Okay, I go to school means you go there to study. That's the purpose. But I go to the school means you're going to that specific building for some reason.
Oh, so I go to school is like I'm a student.
Right, but I went to the school to pick up my sister. You're going to the building, not for the purpose of studying.
Oh, so I go to work, I go to church, I go to bed. No the, because it's about the purpose.
Perfect, but I painted the church or I cleaned the office. You're talking about the actual building.
That's actually brilliant. I'm in bed versus I'm in the bed.
Exactly. I'm in bed means you're sleeping. I'm in the bed means you're physically in that specific bed, maybe jumping on it.
English is wild. Okay, my head is spinning a bit. Can we do a quick recap?
Of course. Let's bring it all together. Here's the simple version.
Okay, I'm ready.
First rule, use a before consonant sounds and before vowel sounds. Listen to how the word sounds, not how it's spelled.
Right, a university and hour.
Second rule, use a and an when introducing something for the first time or talking about something general. I saw a bird.
And use the for the second mention or when it's specific.
Third rule, use the when there's only one thing, like the sun, the moon.
Or when context makes it obvious, close the door.
Fourth rule, use the with superlatives, like the best, the biggest, the most beautiful.
And for some reason, we say play the piano.
Yes, there are some quirks, but these main rules cover like 95% of situations.
Okay, I feel so much better about articles now.
Good, because now we're going to practice together with real-life scenarios. Are you ready?
Let's do it.
All right, here's the scenario. You're at a restaurant. You want to order food. What do you say?
I'd like a pizza.
Perfect. Why a pizza?
Because it's general. I just want any pizza, not a specific one.
Exactly. But what if you're pointing at a specific pizza on the menu?
I'd like the pizza with mushrooms.
Yes, now you're being specific. Okay, next scenario. You're telling your friend about your day. I saw blank accident on my way to work.
I saw an accident.
Why an?
Because accident starts with the a sound, a vowel sound.
Perfect. And then you say blank accident was really bad.
The accident was really bad because now we're talking about that specific accident I just mentioned.
Look at you, you're nailing this. Okay, here's a tricky one. You're talking about your job. I'm blank engineer.
I'm an engineer.
Yes, why?
Because engineer starts with the N sound, vowel sound, and it's general, like I'm one engineer among many.
Perfect. But if you say, I'm blank engineer who designed that bridge,
I'm the engineer who designed that bridge because now I'm specific.
Exactly. Okay, this one's fun. I need to blank new phone because I dropped blank phone I had.
I need to buy a new phone because I dropped the phone I had.
Why?
Because a new phone is general, any new phone will do, But the phone I had is specific. It's the particular phone I owned.
You are on fire. Okay, what about let's meet at blank coffee shop near blank park?
Let's meet at a coffee shop near the park?
Interesting. Tell me your reasoning.
A coffee shop because I'm not specifying which one, just any coffee shop in that area. The park because maybe there's only one park nearby and we both know which one.
Exactly. If there's only one park you both know about, it's the park. But you could also say the coffee shop if you're both thinking of a specific one.
Context is everything.
Yes. Okay, last practice. Fill in these blanks. I want to learn blank guitar. I heard blank music at blank party last night, and blank guitarist was amazing.
Okay, so I want to learn the guitar because we use the with instruments as a skill.
Yes.
I heard some music. Wait, can I say some?
Good catch. In this case, you could say some music or even just music with no article at all.
Oh, interesting. At a party, general party, introducing it for the first time, the guitarist, specific guitarist from that party.
Perfect. You just used all the rules we learned.
I did. I actually feel confident now.
That's what I love to hear. And here's the thing. You're gonna make mistakes sometimes, and that's totally okay.
Really?
Of course. Even native speakers mess up articles sometimes, especially in fast conversation. The goal isn't perfection, it's communication.
That makes me feel so much better.
And you know what? Here's a memory trick that ties it all together. Think of a and an as any one, and the as that exact one.
Oh, I like that. A dog equals any one dog. The dog equals that exact one dog.
Exactly. If you can remember that, you'll get it right most of the time.
That's such a good trick.
All right, let's wrap this up. What did we learn today?
Okay, so articles aren't about vowels and consonants, they're about sounds.
Right. Listen to the first sound of the word.
Use a/an for general things and first mentions. Use the for specific things and second mentions.
Perfect. And the is for unique things, superlatives, and when context makes it obvious.
And there are some weird exceptions like play the piano and go to school with no article.
But those are just quirks you'll pick up as you practice.
Honestly, this was so much clearer than I expected. I always thought articles were confusing, but the way you explained it, it just makes sense.
That's because you're focusing on the logic behind the rules, not just memorizing lists.
And the memory trick, any one versus that exact one, that's going to stick with me.
Good. So next time you're ordering coffee, you'll say,
An espresso, please.
perfect. See, you're already better than you were yesterday.
Thanks, Mia, and thanks to everyone watching. I hope this helped you as much as it helped me.
Absolutely. And hey, if you found this useful, please hit that subscribe button. We post new English lessons every week that make grammar actually enjoyable.
Yeah, and drop a comment below. What's the article mistake you used to make? Or do you have questions about articles we didn't cover?
We read all your comments and we love hearing from you.
Plus, if you want more practice, check out our other videos on English grammar. We've got tons of topics covered.
And remember, learning English is a journey, not a race. Every conversation, every practice session, every mistake you learn from, it all adds up.
You're getting better every single day, even if it doesn't feel like it.
So keep practicing, keep listening, keep trying. You've got this.
All right, everyone. We'll see you next week with another awesome English lesson.
Until then, keep speaking, keep learning, and
keep having fun with English. I'm Leo.
I'm Mia.
And this has been English Speaking Practice.
See you next time.
Bye.